Hello, I'm Allison from the Signify US Channel Marketing Team, introducing our ready-to-go products. Is your current project a new build? Or are you working with a pre-existing shallow ceiling? The new FlatDownlight Select is a great lighting choice for whatever conditions you're facing. Not only is it slim and good-looking, as you can see, it also comes in 2 different sizes. This downlight doesn't have a traditional frame, reflector, or trim piece to fuss with. And with a depth of only 1 inch, it fits almost any ceiling space. See the difference here with an older typical downlight. It's the ultimate product for quick and easy installation. With a detachable junction box and spring clips, it just pops right in. You can also simply clip the junction box to the spring to meet national electric codes. The junction box comes with a color temperature selectable dip switch, allowing you to select the desired color before or after the installation. The FlatDownlight Select is IC rated for direct contact with insulation and will become your favorite way to impress your customers. To learn more, talk to your Signify representative or visit signify.com/ready-to-go.